Toyota bz4x versus Lexus RZ450e. Which one would you buy? It is now evident that the automotive industry will gradually become all-electric soon, which leaves us to the customer's decision in deciding which one suits them best. Over time, the range of products has started diversifying, and most car manufacturers have been planning to go all-electric. Interestingly, Lexus has given us 2035 as its tentative date of going all-electric, and they have planned to start with the Lexus RZ450e. Currently, the RZ450e is an immediate competitor to the Toyota bz4x. Welcome to Talk Business. Today, we'll be checking the Toyota bz4x and the Lexus RZ50. These are great vehicles, and we will be comparing both of them and see which one remains a better option in terms of design, speed, performance, and price. We hope that by the end of this video, you'll find it much easier to make your perfect decision. So kindly watch out till the end. Design. We know that Toyota is not new to this ingenious technology, and the bz4x is the first EV from Toyota, making their transition from hybrid to all-electric. It's now something great that Lexus adds to the show, since both are fully electric crossover SUVs. Looking at the exterior, the Toyota is a beautiful machine that features black segments over a custom paint job. The bz4x is highly spacious and relatively large for passengers. On the other hand, the Lexus is not much different, as it has almost the same platform and body panels, but the curves are smooth and more emphasized, having a more aggressive rear look. Looking at the interior, both cars are relatively spacious enough for passengers due to batteries only. The interior of the Lexus RZ50 is also similar to the bz4x. Regarding the infotainment, the Lexus RZ50e features a 12.3-inch screen but follows a relatively distinct style. It is also fixed to the entire console and just with a separate instrument cluster behind the steering wheel. The Toyota comes with a panoramic sunroof, which will be evident in the Lexus. Taking a look at the steering wheel, we would see that both cars' steering wheel is very differently styled than most other cars. The wheel is yoke style, and it uses the new technology that eliminates the link between the steering and the wheels. This feature enables the car to maneuver in a broader range, and it is specifically important and helpful at a U-turn where just a 150-degree input allows a driver to make the turn. Going to the technology that powers both cars, we can say that batteries power them. However, Toyota isn't holding back, as it enables various gadgets to get charges, bolstering power from the car's main system. You can imagine having a technology that can power your entire house. This is what the Toyota tends to offer. The Lexus features an innovative technology that aims to shift all-wheel drive to front-wheel drive and vice versa in a matter of seconds. This will be done automatically through responses recorded from the steering inputs and driving force. Performance. The Lexus RZ50e has a 71 kilowatt-hour usable battery, whereas Toyota bz4x has only a 72.8 kilowatt-hour available only for the US market AWD variant. The 450e produces a 214 horsepower in the AWD variant, and it is also being named the Direct 4. But for the Toyota, its crossover has only 215 horsepower in the all-wheel drive variant. The front-wheel drive model also delivers 201 braking horsepower and 195 pound-feet of torque. It shouldn't surprise us that this vehicle will also feature a dual-motor four-wheel drive version of the bz4x. This version will produce 215 braking horsepower and 248 pound-feet of torque. The four-wheel drive version will also benefit from different X mode settings, as it will include different snow and mud parameters and feature a grip control for tougher road conditions. Lexus claims incredible and out-of-this-world performance of the car with a 0 to 60 mph time of just 2 seconds. Toyota is relatively slower with a 7.7 second 0 to 60 time in the all-wheel drive variant and 8.4 second time for the two-wheel drive variant. As for the range of the Toyota, the lower versions have 500 kilometers, whereas the higher versions have a 460 kilometer capacity. However, since Lexus tends to aim more on performance, it would have a lower range at around 250 miles. Prices. As for the pricing, the Toyota bz4x will have an estimated starting price of $40,000, while the Lexus RZ450e is anticipated to have a cost no less than $50,000. Pros of the Toyota bz4x. It has a large capacity in the front and back legroom, long-lasting battery, and great storage capacity. Pros of the Lexus RZ450e. Spacious in both the front and rear, and greater performance. Cons of the Toyota bz4x. The preliminary battery endurance is typical for the class, and it has a tiny boot. Cons of the Lexus RZ450e. No huge battery capacity in the current market and more expensive. And here's our verdict. We should note that both the bz4x and the RZ450e have incredible features, but we're expected to select our preferred. After comparing both features, the RZ450e beats the bz4x in performance, and its design is magnificent. However, if we are to pick, we will go with the Lexus RZ450e. And that's all for today, guys. Thank you for watching the video. You can drop a comment on which one you feel is better and would like to go for. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and click on the bell icon, as it will notify you each time we upload new videos. You can also check through our channels for other exciting videos. Thanks again for watching. See you in the next video.